Hello and welcome to our first project video for the progress of our first week. My name is Rabia Shahab and my group members are Ikra Asfar and Mohammed Yushe. So for our project, my team and I decided to make a bullfighter game, and the main objective of the game is that a bull is going to be charging towards the person from left and from right, and the person is going to have to defend themselves by running around and jumping over the bull and by throwing knives at the bull to lower its lives before the bull collides into the person and eventually kills them. And our progress so far has been pretty good. We found some certain state images for the user, as you can see over here, and we saved them. And we found state images for our bull as well, and we needed to get rid of the background. So for that, we used a website called Remove Background, which helps us to get a PNG image, and we combined all of those states in one single asset file, and we uploaded that to SpriteCow. As you can see over here, this was our asset file for now. We're gonna modify it more and add more things to it eventually. We uploaded this on a website called SpriteCow. What this does is when you click on any certain object on the screen, is going to give you the vector coordinates for that certain image. And one thing that you have to make sure with this website that we had to make sure was not to include negative sign. As you can see over here, negative 628 and negative 160, because the negative sign, the image won't show up with the negative sign. Okay, once we had our SRC rect. All of these images were put on our SRC rect, as I'm going to show you now by running our game. This is still, we're still facing a lot of trial and error periods, so our code is all over the place, but it will be organized eventually. SRC rect is basically where we find our coordinates from SpriteCow and put them into it, and now I'm going to run the game for you to show what we have achieved so far. As you can see, we have loaded the background, and once you click on the screen, a bull can be seen charging towards the person, moving from left to right. And as for the person, we can control his or her movements using the keyboard left, right, and up key. This is the user moving towards the right. This is the user moving towards the left. And for now, we haven't fully implemented the jump function. As you can see, when I press up, it doesn't come back down, and it's also not a very natural jump. Like, it doesn't feel that realistic for now. We will fix this eventually. For jump, we are planning. Oh wait, we were using this function that we found through intensive research that still hasn't been implemented yet. But this is what our progress has been so far, and hopefully we will see you next week with more stuff. Thank you.